Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Okay, so today is Sunday. So Sunday special, I am making kanda poha, which is a very nutritious kind of a poha I am making with a lot of nutritious vegetables. So we have here two sliced onion, which have been thinly sliced. We have one small potato, which has been sliced in this manner, very small pieces, so that it cooks well and early. We have one small carrot that has been diced in small pieces like this. We have a little bit of coriander. We have slit two green chilies. I have taken one less spicy chili and one which is a little bit of spicy chili. Then we have 10 to 12 curry leaves. Next we have a handful of peanuts that I'll be roasting in a teaspoon of oil. Then we have, I don't have black mustard seeds right now, so I'm using this yellow mustard seeds. We'll need 1.5 spoons of this salt, around half teaspoon of the turmeric powder. We need 1 teaspoon of jeera. We'll need a pinch of hing. So let's start. Okay, so we'll start with around 1.5 teaspoons of oil, vegetable oil. I'm going to roast the peanuts first on a slow flame. So as you can see, the peanuts have been nicely roasted. So let us remove them and continue. So as you can see, there is almost 1 teaspoon of oil in the kadai right now. So we'll add around 2.5 teaspoons more. Let the oil get little heated. So we'll be putting around a teaspoon of yellow mustard seeds. Let them splutter very well. As soon as they splutter, we'll be putting around a teaspoon of jeera. A teaspoon of haldi powder. Curry leaves, with green chilies. Roast them for 30 seconds. And then we'll be putting our onions. Now these onions need to be cooked till they are translucent. I usually don't brown my onions. I like them just translucent and soft. So let us do that. So you can see that the onions have got little translucent. So at this stage we will be adding our potatoes and carrots. If you have green pea with you, you can add green pea as well. And we'll be sauteing these vegetables on a low flame till the carrots and potatoes are cooked well. So let us cook them and continue. Okay, so as you can see now, the vegetables have been cooked nicely. So let's check out the potato. So it's nicely done. Carrot is also cooked. So this is the advantage of chopping the vegetables very fine, you know. So now our base has been done. Let us put a little bit of hing. A lot of people don't put hing in, but I prefer to put a little bit of hing, a pinch of hing actually. Okay, so we have already put half a teaspoon of turmeric. So we'll put around half a teaspoon more because I like my poha to be little yellowish. Okay, so now we'll be putting the stem part of the coriander into the base and saute it for 30 seconds or so. Okay, so here I have taken the thick poha around a bowl, and I've just washed them in the strain under running water, and we'll put that. We'll be putting a teaspoon and half of salt, little bit of coriander, and I normally sprinkle just a sprinkle of water over it so that the heat is evenly distributed, and then we just need to mix this nicely, mix it thoroughly. So the lemon you can put at this stage. I prefer to put my lemon when I serve the dish. And that's it. So just steam it for a minute or so, and then your poha is ready. So I'll serve you and show you. Okay, so have a look at the poha that has been served. So I like my poha to be served with some snacks like the chana dal I have served with and sev. But traditionally it is served just with fried peanuts and a slice of lemon, and that's it. Enjoy and rejoice.